This is Austin. He's going to show us how to use SolidWorks to do a 3D formed object, and then on our next video we'll show you how to go from SolidWorks to Mastercam and program the machine.
So in SolidWorks, your front plane will actually translate to be your top view in Mastercam. So if you right click the front plane and hit show, it'll always be there, and so it kind of keeps it as a reminder. And I'm going to start off by just making a rectangle in the right plane. It'll just be a 4x4 square. And I'm just going to extrude it. So another 4 inches, so it's a cube. And then so that front plane, that's going to be the top, so I want to draw over here. And I'm just going to use a spline and just draw some sort of contour and drag that in there to make sure it's just going to cut all of it. And I'm just going to, I want to cut away all this part, so I'm just going to connect those on the outside and just cut all the way through it. Oops. Cut all the way through it, no, extrude, and then you have that kind of contour, and then you can make a contour from the other side by just making like another spline, kind of like an arc, and then just make it go all the way down. And this one, I want to extrude it all the way through it all. And then normally I would just add a fillet on, that way the cutter, you can kind of control how much of a radius the cutter is going to leave. And there you go, you have a object that you can now bring into Mastercam. But when you save it, make sure you save it. I'm just going to go to my user folder. And then save it as an RHS file. That way you can pull up the Mastercam. Oops.
All right, save it as an RHS.